Ancient Egyptian breakfast. In ancient Egypt, breakfast was usually simple and practical because most people began working early in the morning. Bread was the center of almost every meal, and it was often eaten with onions, dates, figs, or soft cheese. Beer was also common at breakfast, though it was much weaker than modern beer and safer to drink than river water in many places. Farmers, builders, and workers needed food that could keep them full under the hot sun. Heavy grain-based meals became part of daily life. Wealthier Egyptians sometimes added honey, eggs, or roasted duck to the morning table, but for ordinary families, bread and beer were enough to begin the day. Ancient Roman breakfast. Romans called breakfast ientaculum, and it was usually light and quick. People often ate bread with olives, cheese, nuts, wine, or leftovers from dinner. Even simple breakfasts reflected the huge trade networks of the Roman Empire. Ancient Greek breakfast. Greek breakfasts often included bread, olives, figs, goat cheese, and honey. Some people also ate small pancakes called tagonites. Olive oil and fresh ingredients made these meals an important part of Mediterranean food culture. Viking breakfast. Vikings needed heavy breakfasts to survive cold northern weather. Porridge, smoked meat, dried fish, dark bread, and fermented dairy foods were common. These meals gave warriors and farmers enough energy for hard daily work. Ancient Chinese breakfast. Ancient Chinese breakfasts were usually warm and comforting. Congee, a rice porridge, became one of the most popular morning foods, often served with vegetables, eggs, or buns. Tea also became an important part of breakfast traditions over time. Ancient Indian breakfast. Ancient Indian breakfasts were full of grains, spices, and dairy foods. People commonly ate flatbreads with lentils, yogurt, or vegetables before starting work. Regional ingredients and religious customs strongly shaped morning meals.